How to lend with HelpPays. Let's start. In the marketplace, you can find borrowers who want to borrow money, but first make sure you are in lender mode. Use filters to find different types of borrowers. When you set a filter, you can easily save it for the future. You can also customize the view with tags, sorting, and view mode. Just open the card to see the borrower's general information. Check out the terms, where you can even edit the terms of the agreement, and also see the financial information and their profile details. Have a specific question for the borrower? Just write a message. In the dashboard, you can view details and see your income and returns. Help a single parent cover their bills for the month. Assist a struggling college student to buy books for the semester. Lend some cash to family or friends in need. Lending with HelpPays is really easy. Make a loan, change a life.